Summer of 2019, that was last year, was a very extraordinary season for me. Imagine I was able to speak to almost 3,000 teachers through my workshop seminar, updating seminar for teachers called A Culture of Gathering. I met teachers from Region 2, from Region 3, and some from Metro Manila. After that wonderful, memorable, unforgettable engagement with teachers, with many teachers, I was inspired to compose, to write a song dedicated to teachers. I called it We Teach from the Heart. And since it is Teachers' Day today, it is World Teachers' Day today, I am dedicating it to all teachers. Happy, happy Teachers' Day. Here is the song, We Teach from the Heart.
Good morning daw sa Taekwondo Elementary School kay Madam Hasmilita Mandap, Madam Lucita Punanan, Ma'am Arsenia Palo Mallare, Ma'am Jen Morales, Madam Marites Chavez, Sir Carlito Muli, Madam Teresita Laksamana, Soylo Parungaw, at kay Madam Alma Makamay. Sa Pangbato National High School, kay Madam Windy Puno Arumin, Sir Lawrence Bautista, Madam Alejandrina Moises Torres, Madam Sara Badato, Madam Anne Lorraine Tayag Cortez, at kay Madam Annalyn Gambao Aguilar. Saka good morning din sa kanyang paboritong teacher, kay Madam Liza Masangke.
Happy Teacher's Day. Ang isa sa mga pinakamahirap na profesyon o karir ay ang maging isang guro. Yan ang isa sa mga pinakamahirap dahil education ibig sabihin to mold. To mold, to shape, ganyan. Para maging maulad ang talentong ibinigay ng Diyos sa mga bata. Kaya tumutulong yung mga teachers, at yung mga teachers yan ang mga pangalawang magulang ng mga estudyante. Kaya malaking sakripisyo po ang mga guro. Ngayon pa, kinocongratulate ko kayo. Happy Teacher's Day!
Our teachers are our mentors, and our teachers, they have important roles, no, in guiding their pupils. Sana po the teachers will be given due salary. Amen. Yun lang po.
Thank you po. Thank you.
Students with lessons from the heart, to feed our students with lessons from the heart. Once more, happy, happy Teachers' Day to all teachers. God bless you all.